Have you ever thought of this? What's the actual value of a great idea? Can a price tag be put on it? If we were in Silicon Valley, we'd certainly hear a big, loud yes, and also the screams of many angel investors parting with their billions. Not every idea will turn into a WhatsApp, but we hope to unearth some apps that can bring convenience, efficiency, and fun to your lives on this show. This is Nokia Your Wish is My App Season 2, and this is our last show. We get into the big final round where we will have a winner who take away 1 million rupees. And as always, to choose the last app or apps that will make it there is our perfect panel of judges. First, my friend, philosopher, and voice of conscience, Kalki Kekla. Last part correct?
Correct.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So do you have advice for me?
I like makhani a lot. You know, like
the food of the person.
Makhani,
Yeah, that's what I said. Food of the person.
you know, murg makhani. Nice makhan on your paratha for breakfast.
Right. Everything buttery and greasy,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So
Slick.
nice, nice.
All right, that's a good start for me. Next, the guru of the kitchen, Vikas Khanna. Now, she started off with all the makhnis and all the greasy parts of it. Any other one ingredient, when added to any food, makes that food delicious.
You know, in the classic French cuisine, we say that butter and cream, everything is good.
Okay, enough food. Let's get down to the person who will make sure we lose our appetite. The tech world's mischief maker in chief, Vishal Gondal. You still are entertained by my introductions, aren't you? I mean, you've got to give it to me. Yeah. I try hard to give you an introduction every time that's different yet the same.
And every time you fail.
So good to have you back. Favorite food?
Besides makhan and makhni, my favorite food is sushi.
Good one, but now we're going to meet up with the man. I spam hard every time I have my annual appraisal, Sanjeev Bikhchandani. Right. Good to have you back. Favorite food?
I like Chinese cuisine.
Just general Chinese.
Oh, I thought the people. I thought the people.
I like to eat Chinese people.
No, that's it. He eats Chinese for breakfast.
Next up, someone who obviously watches way too much Bollywood films for his own good. Now, I don't know if he's going to walk out in here absolutely and totally ready in a garish outfit and launch into some thumkas. I certainly want to hear what his app idea is all about. Here to present it is Pune's Lawrence Barse. So, abab baras rahe hamare upar, so can we get one thumka just to get the mood right?
Just one slight hip movement. Yeah.
That man as a demonstration. All right, we are good to go.
So we all love Bollywood and all the glam and thrill that comes with it. So my idea is to have a fun game app based on arcade-style fighting game, which will feature all the famous Bollywood superstars as playable characters. So the user gets to choose his favorite superstar, like Shah Rukh Khan or Salman Khan, and gets to fight against other Bollywood superstars. The users can use swipe and tap gestures to execute his superstar's signature moves and dialogues. The user will get to experience Bollywood battles like Shah Rukh Khan versus Salman Khan or Kalki versus Kangna. The app will feature 4 difficulty levels, and at the end of each level, the player will have to face off against a Bollywood supervillain like Mogambo or Gabbar. The users can buy looks for their favorite superstar like Amir Khan's Ghajini look or the Dhoom 3 look. Now these looks are not only applicable for Amir Khan but can also be applied on any other superstar like Shah Rukh Khan. So users can see and play as Shah Rukh Khan in the Dhoom 3 look or Shah Rukh Khan in the Ghajini look or Kalki in any imaginable Bollywood look.
No, don't say imaginable. Tell us one. No, by example, Kalki in
Chamak Challo look.
Starting to get better and better.
Just to give you a sense, when I was at India Games, we did the Ghajini game, we did the Dev D game, we did the Ravan game, we did the Chamak Challo game. We've done all these games. So the biggest problem is that if you want to do a game with all these likeness, that itself is going to cost you crores and crores of rupees. I mean, so I think
What if
one big challenge is the
What if you were to do it as a parody? So Salman ki jagah Garman Khan or something.
So
you get away with that.
Yeah,
don't
we
you?
can use.
Then it's just another fighting game. There are hundreds of fighting games. You know, there
No,
are.
but I would love to see Kalki versus Kangna in every which way.
So the challenge is that there's nothing unique about the concept. There's nothing unique about the game. The only thing you're saying is that, oh yeah, you're going to have these Bollywood characters.
But the users can see Shah Rukh Khan in the Ghajini look or maybe the.
That's what I'm saying. So there is.
So isn't that unique enough? I mean, especially
there's
for
the
a
Avengers
nation
all he's
praised by
saying
Bollywood.
is to make it different, you have to use genuine star names, genuine star faces, and
Exactly, the whole
and he said
uniqueness
the
of
cost
this.
goes up. He said cost goes up. The cost goes up, it puts pressure on your revenue and business model. So is it viable? That's what he's saying.
There are in-app purchases like users can buy looks for their superstars, the backgrounds that are there, like We can have Shole's background or maybe Bazigar's background against which the players can face off. So these are the in-app purchases that will generate revenue for the app.
I think well thought out, good thoughts out there. I personally think it's a great idea, but then we'll see how everybody else scores it. Thank you.